everyone, and welcome back to another episode of Tuesday Treats. Today we are making a light, easy, fluffy jelly whip that is so simple and only requires 3 ingredients. It is such an old school classic. It's easy, fun, and perfect for a quick, sweet treat. So let's get into it. For this recipe, you'll need 2 packets of jelly, 2 cups of boiling water, and 1 tin of evaporated milk that's been chilled overnight. First thing you need to do is dissolve the 2 packets of jelly crystals into 2 cups of boiling water. Stir well until all the crystals are completely dissolved and the mixture is smooth. Set the jelly aside to cool to room temperature. You don't want it to warm when you add it to the milk. Once your jelly has cooled, take your chilled evaporated milk out of the fridge. Pour it into a large mixing bowl and whip it with an electric beater until it is thick and fluffy. Slowly pour the cool jelly into the whipped milk and keep whipping. The mixture will turn light, airy, and beautifully creamy. Once everything is combined and looking pale and fluffy, pour the jelly whip into a big glass bowl and put it in the fridge for a few hours to chill and set. And that's it, a soft jelly whip that is as easy to make as it is to eat. It's perfect for when you want something sweet and nostalgic without spending hours in the kitchen. If you do decide to give it a go, let me know in the comments below. I'd love to see your creations. I'll see you guys on the next one.